How to disable sensitive content warning to your tweets on X. Welcome back to Great Sorcerer, and let's get right into this video. Tap open your Twitter or X application and log in into your account. Once you are logged in, you have to scroll to the very top until you see your profile icon option and tap on it. Tap on Settings and Support to expand, then go to Settings and Privacy. From here, tap on Privacy and Safety, then tap on Content You See. When you toggle on this Display Media that may contain sensitive content, it will display all the sensitive content to you. So make sure if you do not want it, simply toggle it off to the left-hand side. However, if you do not want a sensitive content warning to any of your tweets, just tap Open or enable it. It is a quick and easy process. However, if you face any of a bug issue, press and hold onto your application and head to App Info. Force stop it, go to Storage and Cache and clear up the cache. This will fix the bug issue. Next, check out your Play Store or App Store and search for X. Tap on the application, and if there is an update, leave it for an update. If not, uninstall the application and reinstall it later. Third step, open up your settings and head to Apps and tap on All Apps. This is the alternative way to force stopping your application and clearing up the cache. And those all will help to remove all the bug or glitch issue. And it's a wrap for this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.